How to make money flipping NFTs. Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I am giving you a beginner tutorial for flipping NFTs. How do we flip NFTs and what are different ways that you can flip NFTs and make money? So let's get started. Now, what is flipping NFTs? What is flipping? So flipping is, or flipping NFT, or whatever you are flipping, that simply means buying anything, any NFT for less price and then selling it for higher price. Simple. So we can do that with NFTs as well. We buy any NFT, we keep track, and then when the price is high, that NFT is in the market and that program is trending, we sell that NFT for profit. So what happens is, right now I am on a platform called OpenSea.io, which is one of the largest marketplaces for NFT, where you can buy, sell, and create your NFTs. So I will show you that how to get started with flipping. How do you find any NFT to flip? How do we actually, what are different tricks and tips for you to find the right NFT to flip? So first of all, whenever you go to some platform, we will need to have any NFT. We will need to have a program that we can actually flip that is in demand. So in order to do that on OpenSea, what I'm going to do is I will go to stats and ranking. In ranking, I will actually get an idea of the top NFTs that are actually ranked by volume, floor price, and other stats. So you will be able to see all of different programs that are trending on OpenSea. So this is where we actually find our program to flip. We find the programs to keep track of them. So what happens is, these are the different programs, and I actually keep track of a program called World of Women, and it should be somewhere here. There it is. World of Women. Right now it is at 28, and this is the volume. This is the 24-hour rate. This is the 7-day rate, and then floor price, owners, and items. And so this is the NFT, the program that I will be following, and I will show you how I can actually find an NFT from this program to flip. You can just choose any program that you want to, and make sure, now these are the different things when we are flipping NFTs. Make sure you choose a program that is on trending and that has a good floor price, that has a good volume, so that comes on top from any day of the week. So right now you can see these are the different programs that are trending. For example, Wolf Game, the Sandbox is actually trending, CryptoPunks, Doodles. So you can keep track of any of these programs. If you are already know about NFTs, you know about crypto, you might have any program that you are keeping track of. So let's go with this one. What I'm going to do is I will simply click on World of Women, and it will open up their account, their page for me. And here I will show you how do we actually work with flipping. So you can see this is the program that I am following. So here I will be able to check out their NFTs, their latest ones. And in here, I will actually check out the pricing. I am going to check out the lowest price NFT they have right now. So you can see right here, this one is actually one of the top bid, which is 2.2, right? So this one, it will be the lowest price one. This one is 1.3 Ethereum, and if I check out, this one is 1.4, 1.4, okay, 1.4, then there is 1.4, 1.8. Okay, the price is increasing, 1.9, 1.96, then it is 2, 2.4, 2.1, okay, 2.2. The pricing is pretty good for these NFTs. So you can see now the pricing is actually increasing. So I am going to go with the lowest price one, and we can actually see right here that this one is the lowest priced one, right? And then there is this, which is 1.452. And then this one is 1.452, 1.452, and 1.452. So this is where we get our stats. So this one is 1.3, right? And these all are 1.452. So now we will have to just do the maths simple. What I'm going to do right now is I will simply open it up. This one is the lowest one. There it is. It is 18,000 and 18,860. Okay, 18,860. And if I check out the price for the other one, which is 1.452, I will simply open it up. That one was 18,000. Okay, so this one is open for bids and the minimum bid is 3.5, so it is 14,000 right now. But you can see right here that one of the bid is actually 1.4, but if it's sold for 3.5 and it's gonna be 14,000. Okay, so you can see right here that this one is 1.3, right, and this one is 1.4, the top bid. So the top bid for this one is lower than this one. So what's gonna happen is, if this one is sold for 1.3 and this one is for 1.4, so the person who will be getting this NFT can definitely flip this NFT for 1.4, because what's gonna happen is this one is the lowest and there will come a time, there will come a new NFT and that will be the lower, right? So this will eventually go to 1.4. So the person who is going to buy this for 1.3 will definitely flip it for 1.4. I hope that you got what I said. For example, there was a point when this NFT was maybe 1.3, right? So if a person had gotten this one for 1.3 at that time, they would have able to sell this one for 1.8, and that's what we call flipping. So you just keep in mind, you have to be very active, so you just find the NFT, the lowest one, because the lowest one is going to rise in few days. You can actually buy it for the lower price, and when the value is up, you can just sell it for more price, for higher price. And for this one, we simply go with the different NFTs that are already, selling at those prices. For example, most of these World of Women NFTs are 1.8, so you can simply go for 1.8, or maybe if you bought it for 1.3, you can definitely sell it for 1.4, and that will actually make you a lot of profit. So this is how you simply get an NFT and sell it for the higher price. But there are different factors that you have to count in while flipping NFTs. So when you have chosen a program, for example, for me, it's this one, you have to keep it in mind. You have to track this program and make sure that you have their Discord. You are, for example, this is the Discord for World of Women, and here I actually get all of the information for the verified NFTs and what are different, when there's gonna be a new NFT, the different launches and programs. So follow their Discord. Make sure you have their Twitter as well. You can see the Twitter for this program, and here I can actually check out their different launches if I want to. So this is the thing, you want to, when it comes to flipping, you have to be very fast and buy the NFT for lower price when it's new, so you can sell it later for higher prices. So you make sure that you follow their Twitter as well, and their Instagram. Whatever social media you have, you can just go to any of this. For example, this is the Instagram for the program that I am following, so you can just simply go to their Instagram as well, and you will be able to get an idea. Make sure you have Discord is actually very important, and then you can follow their different accounts, for example on Twitter and on Instagram as well. Follow them, the NFT that you want to flip. Once you follow a program, you have an idea how to do that. Simply buy the NFT and then sell it for higher prices. So yeah guys, this is how we do flipping. I just wanted to give you a beginner's tutorial for NFT flipping. All you have to do is just select a program, track it, make sure that you follow their social medias as well, and track the NFT pricing, do some maths, and then you will be able to sell it. Simply sell it on any of the platforms, and that's what basically flipping is. And you can just earn your profit very simply without creating NFTs. So yeah guys, this brings us to the end of the video. I hope that I was a big help to you, and now you will be able to flip NFTs and earn your profit. Make sure to give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to the YouTube channel.